Don't forget the Nasdaq's only 1% away from its all-time high. So if you're one of the poor bastards out there who didn't subscribe to Hedgeye, and you've been selling on every macro tourist political catalyst, I think we have some more in the cartoon this morning, by the way. If you've been doing that for 15 months and you didn't subscribe and now you subscribe, you're happier because you've been data dependent. But again, now you get a wonderful selling opportunity in all the things that we've liked. Now that the entire world knows that the economy is accelerating, you don't have to be the guy on CNBC. What about the guy at Zero Hedge? Did you know he looked like that?
I did not know.
That's a good outfit.
Yeah, that's a great cartoon. There's a lot of color there.
There's a lot of color.
I imagine that took Bob a little bit.
Yeah, for home gamers, you're going to notice that we're going to change what the tourists are taking pictures of every day.
Yeah, right.
It was Stormy was in there yesterday.
Yeah, it's something new every day.
Yeah, a little tariff action in there. Yeah, so again, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. What you want to realize is that the upside down of a falling price in lower high terms in the S&P 500 is the VIX. So the VIX, I currently have the low end of the risk range is 14.86 and the top end of the range is 22.91. So again, volatility I think is not your friend from an equity perspective. You are in a friendly space from a sector return perspective. You can see that all the sectors we have you in have positive returns for the year to date. The top 3 sectors, of course, include tech and consumer discretionary. Imagine that. You could go back to that moment in time when you were freaking right out potentially, or you had friends that were, the friends that were watching Zero Hedge, that were selling lower on the Cone news, on whatever it was, and now you get to sell higher. This is wonderful. I think this is great. I mean, at the end of the day, those are your top 3 things. Feeling good this morning.
Are you? Nice.
I am feeling it. I am feeling it. Like all this data, do we really trust that people are going to do the right thing and tell us what all of this means if they have a political bias, or they're trying to drive media advertising revenues, or trying to attain political office? Do we really believe that at this point in our lives? Of course we don't.